Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the one of the wave release of 2025 Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM has been recently released one feature called it as a mm, find records and filter views using the natural language. So how this feature is useful to ourselves in day to day, it might be user perspective or developer perspective or anyway for anyone perspective. This feature was very user friendly. So basically this feature is especially designed on platform of the using the copilot. So here, as you can see by this title itself, it's a natural language. Okay, natural means the day to day life, how you used to speak like as a friend, how you will speak, right? So in that way you can communicate with the D365. So here, so this feature is as of now is a public preview which has been in November 14, 2024. It has been released in public preview, but it is generally available in Dynamics 365 after April 2025. So let's see what is this and what is the main use cases of this feature. So if you come to here, as you can see on the screen, so as of now, I have logged in into a one model driven app application. So in this model driven app applications, as you can see, these are the site maps. Okay, left hand side, whatever you are able to see the site maps. So in this, we have a leads, opportunities, codes, order, invoices, products, and different types of tables are there. So in tables, so in real time, there are thousands of data will be there, around lakhs of data also is there. So sometimes searching the data, it is a quite challenging. Okay, quite challenging. Like for example, you need to enter prefix as a star, and you need to enter some data, and after that you need to enter something as a postfix as a star. So it will consume so much. Users are. We need to educate the users to enter like this. But here Microsoft has been brought this feature that in views, any views. So here directly, for example, you are able to see the views. Okay, all leads are there. For example, here you can see all leads are there. So this you are able to see. But in this all leads, we have a 16 records are there. I don't want to in this 16. So I want only one. I need to I don't want to go each and every record I need to search. So simply I'll type something where I can get something. So for example, I need to search the Alex record. Okay. So what I will do here, see simply name contains Alex. Okay. I will do it as a enter button. So simply you can see here in the screen, I have written only name contains Alex. Okay. So as you can see here, out of 16 records, we have one record with the name of a Alex Baker. So Copilot has been retrieved this record. So as you can see this one, so it is like this you can see. So you can search it. So I have now retrieved the results. So every time I don't want to I don't want to do this one. So search. So I want to save this one. How can I save this one? So here you can see there is a one option. You can see you can adopt this one. So simply you can see, you can click on this save as a new view. Okay, if you click on save as a new view, right, you can save it is and it will automatically get saved. For example, if you are not selecting, you can give it a name also as a view this one. So for your information, it will be saving it as a personal views. Okay, it will be saved as a personal view. So here you can give the name and description, and after that click on the save button. It will get saved. So here, for example, what happened if I won't save? So simply you can cancel this one. It will remove. Okay. So after refreshing this browser, so it will get removed. So whatever you have searched, right, that view got removed. Again, you need to type that, and you need to spend some time on it, and you need to search for that again. It will live. So every time searching, it will take some time, right? So like this, for example, again I will test with the new query. Okay, for example, I will look into this. Topic contains airport. So airport, there are in topic, there are multiple topics are there in lead. So I'm looking specifically those topics which in this contains some airport text. Okay, now I'm clicking on the search button. Okay, simply enter. So as you can see, out of 16 records, I have 10 records are contains the 10 records are contains the airport. Okay, so here as of now you can see name, topic, status, reason created, and these features are already created available. For example, if you want to add some extra fields, then you are already having a feature called it as a edit columns. Okay, so here you can add column, and here from here you can add any column, whatever the column you want to add here. So like for example, I have here it as a status field. Okay, status, previously status is not there, click on the apply select. Okay, so you can see earlier it was only tills created on, now it has been came to the status. In the same way you can add some filters also, which is already known by, but which is like here from here you can add any filter and you can apply, click on apply button, it will get saved. So the future is here especially, so the human, what however you is speaking in a natural language, right? So like this, a non-educated person can also use this feature very user friendly. So this is the one of the best feature which has been launched recently in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. So to use this feature, as of now, by defaultedly, this feature is not available for everyone. This feature is not available for everyone. Means like directly by defaultedly, here you can see this whatever you are able to see this one, right? So this feature you are not able to see by defaultedly in all model driven application. Now, then if I want this feature, how can I use this feature from today, from now onwards? So simply, you know that we have a admin.powerplatform.com. Okay, so simply you need to go admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. From here, from in which environment you want to enable this feature, simply go to that environment. So here I want to enable this feature for the developer environment. Okay, simply I have clicked on the dev environment. So here, as you can see on the screen, this dev environment has been opened. From here, you can see the top, there are multiple buttons are there. So now from this, I'll clicking on the settings. So I have clicked on the settings. Then you are able to see here, there is a product. Okay, underneath of the product, there is one toggle button is there. I have untoggled it. Then you are able to see here a futures. Okay, hyperlink. Click on this futures, then you can see here, so these are the futures which has been coming. So you can see here whatever the futures are there, right? So those all futures you are able to see here. So basically you can see here with the text as a natural language grid and view search. So you should like select this one. So here you can select. As of now, I have selected is this one. It has a all users immediately. Users as the future becomes available default. Okay. So as of now, I have selected all users immediately. So after that, you need to click on the save button and you can refresh your browser multiple times and clear the cache. Then you are able to see this one. I hope you like this video. So you can have learned something new, which is a completely new feature of the Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM in views, how you can use the natural language to search the record. That's it for the in this video. Thank you very much for watching Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel.